Welcome in Kusina ni RC again! Good day everybody! It's another episode in Kusina ni RC. We are now 22, I guess. Episode 22, yes. We will have 2 recipes for today. Yes, tamang-tama dahil our first recipe is, this is a dessert for our next recipe na later natin gagawin. First, ito is chocolate crinkles. This chocolate crinkles, guys, is nag-crave ako kahapon. Kahapon, sabi ko, I want something na parang cookies na, well, chocolate crinkles are cookies lang din naman, di ba? And then I was like, gusto ko talaga kumain dapat kahapon. Sabi ko, ay, i-vlog na lang natin para medyo maganda, no? Para naman meron tayong ma-share sa gustong gumawa ng crinkles. You can follow me. Sa ayaw, you can skip the video. Anyways, yan. Very quick, easy, madali lang. So this chocolate crinkles, guys, is gagawin nating double chocolate crinkles. Yes, dahil meron tayo dito yung sa Lindor na chocolate, guys. Yan, bro. Meron nga din ako dito, yung mga flat. Dark chocolate kasi ito, guys, so kailangan siyang ma-dispose. I-bake na lang natin. Meron tayong dalawang dito, dark chocolate na ayaw ni partner, kaya i-bake na lang natin kesa naman matapon, di ba? And then itong normal milk chocolate, so natin siya, di ba? Double chocolate crinkles. Yes, dahil na-miss natin yun. Na-miss? Yes, na-miss. It's been a long time, guys, na for an ages na talaga. Charot, no? But of course, before preparing all of these ingredients, oven is preheated into 180 degrees Celsius. And our ingredients, of course, are... First of all, meron tayo ditong 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Meron tayo ditong 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. And meron tayong 1/2 cup white sugar and 1/2 cup brown sugar. So, all in all, 1 cup sugar, brown and white. Actually, 1/4 cup of oil. Pero, kinontian ko siya. Mga 1/8 lang to, guys, cup of oil. Kasi I don't... Well, it's up to you. If you want very moist na chocolate crinkles, then you can add a little bit more oil. Pwedeng 1/2 cup if you want. And then, meron tayo ditong powdered sugar later to coat our chocolate crinkles, diba? And then, meron tayo ditong dalawang whole eggs. Medium size or large is okay. And of course, vanilla. And then, we have here baking powder and salt para to balance the sweetness. So, ayan. So, kuha lang tayo ng strainer kasi kailangan natin i-strain yung mga dry ingredients para fine yung ating texture ng ating crinkles, diba? To start with, we will have to first add all the wet ingredients, then follow the dried ingredients. Okay, first natin gagawin is 2 large eggs, our oil, and about 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and then mix. You can use electric mixer, it's up to you, pero pwede naman ding whisk lang. Then let's add the sugar, guys, brown and white, and then mix again. Okay. I-add na natin yung ating dry ingredients. First is flour, cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and salt. And then ayan lang. And just mix it. So, mix lang natin siya well. And pwede na tayong mag-change ng spatula. So, kunin natin yung sa gilid. Ayan. Ayan na siya, guys. It's so easy lang siya. Para mas easy siya i-roll, guys, with powdered sugar, pwede na siyang ilagay sa ref about mga, let's say, 1 hour para mag-compress siya. Easy na lang siya i-roll, diba? Pero parang mahirapan tayo nito because kasi wala na akong time, hindi ko na siya mailagay sa ref. And then, meron tayo ditong parchment paper and sa lagay lang natin siya dyan. Para hindi didikit yung, guys, yung dough sa kamay, maglalagay tayo ng oil. Pero parang mahirapan ako nito. Gagamit lang ako ng kutsara, guys, kasi parang medyo siya. Kasi kailangan natin mag-roll. And then, parang siya. Yan, dito lang tayo mag-roll. So, paano natin siya gagawin? Lagyan natin sa ilalim itong chocolate here. Ganyan lang siya, guys. Put it there. I-roll lang natin siya. Alam niyo, medyo nahirapan ako. And then, i-roll lang siya natin, guys. Ayan, hindi na kasi siya didikit pag ano, pag nasa powdered sugar na siya, hindi na siya didikit guys. And then let's just put it there. Ayan guys, meron mo muna tayong nagawang 9 pieces here. Ibibake ko muna to first in 180 degrees Celsius, 10 to 12 minutes. Yes, so ilagay muna natin sila sa oven. So, ibibake muna natin. Okay, so after 10 to 12 minutes guys, pwede na siya. Ayun guys, ready na ang ating double chocolate crinkles. 12 minutes natin siyang binake. Oh, kakatapos lang talaga niya. Look at this. My God guys, look at my chocolate crinkles. Di ba ang ganda? Arcevel's double chocolate crinkles. Yes! Excited na ba kayo? Yan guys, we have to choose which one yung ano ha, yung may chocolate talaga. Kung gusto nyong mas soft pa guys, 12 minutes, okay na yon. Medyo chewy siya. Tapos kung gusto nyong medyo crunchy ang gilid, 12 to 13 minutes. Eto medyo crunchy siya gilid, kaya nag-add up mga 2 minutes. Pero kung gusto nyo talagang moist, soft na chocolate crinkles, then make it 10 minutes, guys, sa oven. Ayun, excited na ako. Nakapang-alunok ako na. So, let's try. Ito yung i-try natin, guys. Yan, look at this. Oh my gulay. Ready na ba ang lahat? Let's open it. Oh, medyo ano pa talaga. Look at this. Oh my God. Oh my God, look at the chocolate. Oh. Guys, look at this, guys. Ganda no? And now we have to taste it. Saan ako kakain? Dito na lang. Kain tayo guys, double chocolate crinkles made by Arcevel. Kain! Oh my God. It's chewy. Look at this, guys. It's chewy. Coffee na lang kulang. Kain again. Yung Lindor chocolate. Napakasarap, everybody. Patikman natin kay partner.
Oh,
looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. It's soft inside.
Yeah, chewy. Good.
Yeah.
The Lindor chocolate. Yeah.
Oh, terrific.
Terrific.
I don't know if it's the right word, but it's just perfect.
Yeah. Good. And we have, oh, you want coffee now?
Yeah.
Gagawa na si partner ng coffee, guys. We'll see you in our next recipe in a minute. And it's bulalo time. And as I've said earlier, this episode, we will be having 2 recipes. So, ayun. So, from sweet, I need something savory, salty, you know, and soup. I need soup. First time ko itong gumawa ng bulalo. Then I was like, parang nag-crave lang ako today. Actually, nung the other day pa. Then I was like, okay, gagawa ako ng bulalo for today. First time ever. Meron tayo ditong 3 slice na bulalo. You know, excited ako sa bone marrows nito, guys. Oh, look at the bone marrows. No? Oh my God. And then we have here pichay, yung binili natin sa Asia store. And then we have here onions. Malaki na 1 onions, guys. Dahil wala tayong fresh sweet corn, so ito na lang yung ano, yung naka-sealed na ano. Masarap din naman to, guys. Peppercorn, whole peppercorn ang gagamitin natin, and then maglalagay ako ng konting fish sauce. Okay. Ilunod lang natin tong ano, guys, onions. Peppercorn. Sabay na din natin to siyang ilunod, guys, yung ating meat. Pakuluan lang natin yan hanggang lumambot. Ayan, super easy lang pala yung ano no, bulalo. Akala ko guys, mahirap yung bulalo. Matagal lang siya dahil kailangan mo talaga siyang palambutin yung beef. Beef kasi, di ba, pag bulalo. While waiting, gagawa na ako ng aking rice. Kasi masarap to, di ba, pag may rice. Sa mga nagtatanong or sa mga curious dyan, may nagtatanong last time, pero nasagot ko na ito actually. Ang aking rice, guys, tatlong klase. Jasmine rice, basmati rice, and black rice. Yes, paano ko siya minimix? 1 cup of jasmine rice, 1 cup of basmati rice, and then 1 cup of black rice. Normally, yan ang ginagawa ko. 1 cups every rice. But today, maliit lang yung nilagay ko na black rice. So actually, 2.5 cups of white rice and then 1/2 cup of black rice. So, ayun lang siya, guys. Minsan, ganyan ako mag-mix ng rice. Minsan din, 1 cup each talaga siya. So, today, gusto ko mas marami ang white rice. Yan. So, yan ang rice ni RC. Isain ko na to. Ayun. And since kumukulo na to siya, guys, pakuluan ko pa to hanggang 2 hours. Gusto ko kasi malambot yung buto, hindi buto, yung laman ng ating bulalo, di ba? So, ayun. So, babalik tayo after 2 hours. Ayan, everybody. It's been 1 hour lang pala. 1 hour pa ang lumipas. Naglagay na nga pala ako ng asin at maglagay lang ako ng isang kutsaritang fish sauce. Lagyan ko lang siya ng fish sauce, guys. Ang dami na ng oil. Ayan. So, anuhin ko pa yan. Ang dami yung oil. Kukunan natin yan ng oil mamaya, guys. Ayan, guys. Look at that. Lagpas na 2 hours, guys. Ito ang itsura niya. Ayan. Ayan po. Look at the bone marrows, guys. Ano na siya? Humiwalay na yung bone marrow. Humiwalay talaga siya. Pero hindi ko to dudurugin kasi ang sarap nito. Oh my God. Medyo malambot na siya actually, guys. Ilagay na natin to, guys. Yung ating sweet corn. Wow, ang dami. Ang dami, guys. Papakuluan ko pa siya ulit, guys. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating pechay. Another minutes na muna. Ayan, guys. Mag-a-add na muna tayo ng pechay. So, ayan na muna, guys, kasi hindi magkasya. Actually, guys, tapos na siya. Luto na siya. Ang last ko lang nilagay is yung pechay. Meron pa nga dito. Meron pa siya, guys, kasi hindi kasya. Yung ginamit ko na kaldero is very maliit. Tapos nagkuha din ako ng sweet corn para magkasya lang yung pechay. Yung the rest is later ko na siya ilalagay. Kakain na kami, guys. It's already 5:30 PM. So, tamang-tama. Dinner time na namin. And then si partner. Hindi kakain ito si partner. I think kakain siya sweet corn lang. And then sabaw siguro. Kasi yung kakainin niya is chicken. Ako lang kakain nito, guys. So, tapos na siya. Papalutuin lang natin konti yung pechay. And then, dinner time. Ayun. Oh my God. Ano talaga siya, guys. Nakakaano siya, guys. Nakakatakam. So, kukunin muna natin first yung vegetables. Nalagay muna natin sa gilid yung vegetables. And then, we will get those. Nasaan ba yun? Wait. Nawala yung laman. Nawala yung laman. Nawala yung laman. Nasaan naman yung laman? Ah, dito. Uy, look at this. Look at this bulalo, everybody. Kuha tayo na. Napasobra yung ano ko, guys. Yung pechay napasobra. Yan, oh. Bone marrow. Yan, guys. Oh, ang init. Uy, look at this naman, guys. Diba? Look at this naman, oh. Ayan, guys. Of course, kakain na kami. Good appetite. Kain po tayo. Try na po natin yung ating bulalo. Partner will not eat this because you don't like it, right?
I prefer what I have.
Normally, you don't like soup.
Yeah.
Hindi siya masyado sa soup, guys. Ang sarap. Oh my God, ang sarap. Look at, guys, humiwalay na yung ano. Humiwalay na siya. Humiwalay na siya sa buto niya. At yung bone marrows din. Yung bone marrow. Dahil, diba? Look at the bone marrow, guys. Ang sarap ng bone marrow. Kinuha ko yung sa isa na bone marrow sa ano. Kasi natanggal siya eh. So, kinuha ko na lang din. Diba? Kuha tayo ng pechay. Yung pechay is na-overcook. Na-overcook mo siya, guys. Kain po. Sarap. This is my first time. This kind of soup. Wala na kumakain ito. It's empty.
Oh.
Diba?
No.
Kaya natin yung ano guys, bone marrow. Ayan. Yan yung bone marrow. Pechay na ano, na overcook. Ang lambot ng meat. Sarap. Init. Yung taba. Sarap. Sweet corn.